You guys are saying I'm not cooking again. No problem. Based on popular demand, I am going to be making one of my favorite soup, and that is Ofe Onugbu bitter leaf soup. Let's go. This recipe, like I said, is my favorite recipe, and it's not hard to make. It's very simple. First of all, I have to cook my goats. So I'm making this the Anambra style, but I'm going to not do it the exact way, and this is why. I'm putting my goat meat first. Then I'm also going to add my stock fish. I'll put in seasoning cubes, and I'll also put in Cameroon pepper. I'm going to take my spoon and stir this till nicely combined, and I'm going to allow it release its own stock. And once it releases its own stock, I'm going to add in banga extract, that's palm nut extract. That is the Anambra style. Now, I am using the banga extract to cook this meat because this particular goat meat doesn't take time to cook. So in 30 minutes, it will be ready. Cover it and allow it to bring out its own liquid. Probably 5 to 10 minutes will do the work. So right now, it has released its own stock. As you can see, I'm just going to add in my palm nut extract. Should just cook with it. I'm going to also add in water. Just put a little bit of salt and stir it a bit again. And then cover it and allow it to cook for the next 45 minutes. When it's done cooking, we are going to add almost the rest of the ingredients. This doesn't take time to cook at all. Aku and meat kind of cooks together at the same time. So instead of separating them, why don't I cook them together? And hence the reason why I am using this method. Our goat meat is well cooked. Together with the aku, I'm going to put in ogiri. Some Igbo soups anyway without ogiri is not complete. To this, I'm going to put ede. That is cocoyam. Just going to put enough to thicken it. We'll add crayfish also to this, and then I'll put in my dry fish. We are going to cover it and allow it thicken. This soup, it dey enter. So right now, we are going to add in our pepper. I've already blended it in my blender. I'm also going to add in my stock cubes. I'll stir this properly. So all of us that are fit farm, right? If you want to enjoy this soup, is either you eat it alone because of the cocoyam. I actually take my bitter leaf soup more at night because of the cocoyam. Or better still, you take it with your blended oats or even gari, but in very small portions, right? So I'm putting in my bitter leaf. Just put enough bitter leaf here and woo. See, just get your fufu ready because just look at Ofe Onugbu. This one is not for boyfriend and girlfriend. It's for husband or wife. Don't just waste this training I'm giving you for person that will not pay your bride price. This soup, anybody that cooks this soup for you, oh my God, just be dashing the person money. Just look at only our Ofe Onugbu is ready. Now I've shown you what you can make this weekend. Go to the market and go and buy all the ingredients for this soup and tell me how it tastes. And for sure, if you are expecting or you want more of this delicacy, don't waste time. Just like, share, and subscribe because I'm going to be dropping hot delicacies that will make you live healthy and live your best life. See ya.